plug it in.
This is the Ninja ice cream maker.
And this is the container that you put the fruit of your choice.
Peaches.
Yes. Or if you want to make an ice cream starter, you can. There's all sorts of recipes. So you put it in this container and you freeze it.
Okay.
So this is frozen solid.
So this comes with the machine.
Yes.
Okay.
I have 4 of them.
Oh, okay. They're all different sizes.
Yeah. So you take this off, and it's frozen.
Solid.
Yep. And then you put this into this container right here.
Oh.
And you snap this. There's a blade here, really sharp blade.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Yes. So you get this in here and you
Snaps on.
snap it in there.
That's the button you press to make it like
Yes.
come off the end.
And then you put this in here.
Okay.
And this is the tricky part. You gotta get
Yeah, it's like
all the way up.
oh.
Click. Okay.
Oh, so it goes up. Locks in and then goes up.
Turn this power on.
Okay.
Hit sorbet. And then there's something that pushes that blade down. And it takes just a few minutes. You'll see the blade moving down in a minute.
I'm going to back up because this thing sounds like it's going to explode.
Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Oh, yeah. It's going to come down. See, it's getting lower. And it stops automatically when it stops. See that blade pushing down?
Yeah.
In a couple minutes, we'll have sweet sorbet.
It's just like slicing it.
It's just like grinding it up.
Oh, it's already down to here now? Wow. That's crazy.
My mom did it with pineapple. This is just the sorbet button.
Yeah.
It's not the ice cream or the gelato or
Ice cream. White ice cream. Gelato, milkshake, smoothie, and sorbet. This tells you the progress.
Or if you want to mix stuff in, I guess, in some way. There's no book yet. We lost the book.
But there's a QR code where you can like probably download the instructions
Oh, yeah.
on your phone.
Hundreds of recipes.
Oh, it's moving!
Yep. We'll be done.
Now it's going to go back up.
We'll stop automatically.
Oh, it just stops when it goes over here.
Almost done, yeah. Yep, it's going back up.
See it swirling. Wow.
Pretty cool.
3 minutes so far.
Only 3 minutes.
It's not bad. 3 minutes for peach sorbet. So number 4. Maybe that's minutes.
I don't know. Good stuff.
3 minutes and 30 seconds exactly.
Yay. And then it's done. And then I'm
Alright.
going to push this
Push that.
to release it down. Take this off.
Okay.
Push this to open this. Put this to the side. Take
Don't
this
touch
out.
that.
Look at that.
Peach sorbet.
And then we get our spoon.
Get a hot spoon.
And then we taste it. Mmm.
Tastes like peaches and ice.
Mmm.
Iced peaches.
That has
Sorbet. You could put broccoli in there. I'm just kidding. You could put blueberries in there.
ice cream, whatever ice cream you want to make.
You could mix them together. And strawberries, blueberries, peaches. That's really good. All right, Ninja. That's how you make sorbet with a Ninja. Good job, baby. Go Speed Racer, go!
And we have I have the strawberry starter here, so we can make
Strawberry ice cream. Next video. Thanks for subscribing.
I
See you next
get
time.
half and half and stuff. But look at that. That's just in a matter of minutes we have ice cream.
Wow.
And we